Hi, I'm Diana. Today we're going to check It Cosmetics CC cream against this E.L.F. Camo CC cream that I heard was a really good dupe for this one. This one's very expensive, this one's very cheap. Let's see how they stack up. Right now I have nothing on my skin, and we're not even going to do concealer or anything. We're just going to go right in with E.L.F. on this side and It Cosmetics on this side. And let's see the difference. I regularly use this It Cosmetics one because I love it. I love the finish. I love how the color is perfect on my skin. It's just a little pricey, but let's go ahead and do this whole side of my face with it. You don't need much. It's hard to do half of your face. I wonder if you can already see a difference between the absolutely no makeup side and the CC cream side. I love the dewy finish of this one. It makes me feel probably 10 years younger. I really like how it evens out my skin and gives me a little glow. I think I'll put a little on my neck too so we can see the difference on either side of my neck as well. I have finished with the It Cosmetics side, and now we're going to open this E.L.F. Camo CC cream. I can't remember the name of these things, guys. I have to read it. Okay, just upon opening this, I want to let you know that I got Light 205N, which is neutral with olive undertones. Color correcting, full coverage, natural finish. I have a feeling this is going to be a bit more than this side because this is medium coverage and this is going to be full coverage. So let's just take that into account. Okay, it looks exactly the same kind of tube, same kind of pump. It could possibly be a bit lighter, so we might have to factor that in. Let's check it out. It is a bit lighter. Okay. Oh, we can't forget to put a little bit down the neck as well. Well, from what I can see, this side is a little bit lighter, so take into account that the colors are very, very slightly different, but I'd say that's pretty darn close, guys. I think this is very, very close. Very close in how it feels on my skin. And wow, if I can save that much money, I would definitely go for the E.L.F. I would definitely go for this E.L.F. Camo CC cream. It has the same dewiness as the It Cosmetics side. It covers just as well, or better. I don't know if you guys saw this, but I actually had something to cover up there, and it just totally made it disappear. What could I cover to show you the coverage of this? Let's cover this mole. I know it's not on the right side. It's actually on the It Cosmetics side, but let's just do it as a test. Let me zoom in. There's my mole. I don't like it, and let's suppose I don't want it in the picture. I'm going to dab the Camo CC cream on it. That was probably too much. Oh well. Okay, now I have a nice flesh-colored bump there. Is that better? I don't know. I almost feel like, should I just let it be? Let's try to cover some of these little dark spots here. You know what? I do think that's better, especially if I have an event to go to. It helps this look more even and polished. I wouldn't do it every day. So let's take a good look, a good close look. Can you see any difference? Because I can't. I actually think that this is a really good dupe. I say go for it. I really don't see any difference. I love the texture of both, and I think they both gave me nice, even skin and a nice glow. I can't complain. I say go for it. And that's really all I wanted to say in this video, is whether it was a dupe or not, and I think it is. So there you go. If you want to spend more money, this is a great product. If you want to spend less, this is a great product. Look, I didn't even put on any concealer. And this is a fine look. Should I just go ahead and finish the makeup look really quick so we can see how they both perform under makeup? Little concealer right there. Did that concealer do anything? It doesn't matter. There it is. I will use NYX Wonder Stick in Universal Light to bronze my forehead. and my eyelids. Let's give myself a little blush with this Benefit Rockateur. I honestly can't tell any difference between the sides of my face. I mean, besides my face being highly asymmetrical. Look, I'm one person over here, and I'm another person over here. But my skin is the same exact color on either side with the same amount of dewiness and the same amount of coverage. I really like it. I don't know about you, but I'm always happy to spend less money. Links to both of these products below. I'll see you soon.